go. First order came in. It is a stack Caesar bagel and 7-Eleven. $10.50 going 4 miles. All right, onto the 7-Eleven. Just like that, I am here.
I asked somebody from the other store to have it.
Oh, you don't have it here? Thank you. Got a feeling this coffee is already cold. She said she's gonna meet me out here. Okay. Saves me a trip.
Thank you.
There you are.
Perfect, thank you.
Have a good one. Next up, I've got a Voodoo order. $7.75 going less than 4 miles.
Strange things happen when I say Alexa.
Thank you. Total ended up being $8.75. Small hidden tip. Can't be mad at it. Just got another Voodoo order. This one is $8.75 going under 6 miles. Thank you. Says, leave at my door. Please don't knock. Sleeping baby and barking dog. You know, for some reason, I don't believe you. Let's go knock. Just got this McDonald's order. $6.75 going 3.5 miles. Nothing to write home about, but just trying to keep busy. Thank you.
There you go.
Was I here yesterday? Or like 2 days ago? Total ended up being $7.25. I don't remember what I said it was earlier, but I think there was a hidden tip on that. All right, next order up is a Taco Bell. $11 going like 5 miles. There's a good chance that the store is closed, so this might be a waste of time. All right, what do we have here? Lights look like they're off. I'm gonna try the drive-through. I don't think it's open. All right, next up we got Don Taco. $8.25 going 6 miles. Thank you. And that is heavy. These are some fat burritos. Total ended up being $11.25. Let's go. All right, next up, I've got an IHOP order. $9 going 4 miles. I'm gonna go test the waters. If it's not ready, I'm probably gonna be unassigning it. It's like less than a mile from where I am now, so not much of a loss. Parking lot is looking pretty packed. Really hope this is ready. Passed up a Starbucks, $7 for 1 mile. Excuse me.
I feel like it's gonna be over 5 minutes.
Thank you. Kind of on me, but at least I know not to come to IHOP today. Just took this McDonald's order, $7 and some change for about 4 miles. Thank you.
Head to your pickup at Starbucks.
This order is pretty much the same details as the last one.
Sweet, thank you.
Thank you. Just got another Starbucks order, $7.75 going just under 3 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Quick update. Time is 9:59. Current total is $71 with I think 2 Uber tips yet to come in. Next order finally came in. It is for Popeyes. 10:37 going just under 7 miles. No chance of a hidden tip on this one, but it's still a decent order overall.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Next order is Javier's Taco Shop, $7.75 going about 4.5 miles. Thank you. Why does this sound like I'm dying whenever I hiccup? Man, I hate delivering Mexican food. It smells way too good. Oh, nice. Total ended up being $11.75. We take those. We take those. Got an order for Panda Express. $11 and some change going about 4 miles. This could be a really good one if it's ready on time. Order pickup for... Thank you. Bro, NA portion size. Holy. Doesn't even fit in my drink holder. Just got a McDonald's order. $11 and some change going like 3.5 miles. So this person ordered an Oreo McFlurry and a frozen Coke. Temperature's gotta be in the 40s at the moment, which means McDonald's is probably gonna scuff up the order. Either make them poorly or not have them at all. I don't think I'm getting the full pay on this order.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Well, it was pretty much ready on time and she didn't give me any issues with it, so maybe it's fine after all. Is that 9? What building is this? What the? It's 4. Bruh. It has to be this. Excuse me? Do you know? Alright. I'm not feeling too hot, so I'm just gonna call it there. Current time is 11:43. Current total is 121 plus I think 2 Uber tips. So let's say 135-ish. Yeah, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And yeah.